On Reefs and Eroded Lands We Danced is the new work that I'm creating in collaboration with the dancers for the beginning of this new season.
Il-bank taż-żrieragħ fi Svalbard jippriserva bosta speċi ta' pjanti għall-ġenerazzjonijiet futuri. Dan il-bank kien ukoll sors ta' ispirazzjoni għal Paolo Mangiola li ħalaq ix-xogħol performattiv On Reefs and Eroded Lands We Danced.
Usually every title that I create, they are like one word or maximum 2 words, trying to condense. But for this work, I really wanted to make sure that already the title in itself would be evocative. On Reefs and Eroded Lands We Danced is a work that takes inspiration from the seed vault, the Svalbard seed vault in Norway. I came across that through some readings, and this is basically a vault where the most precious crops from all over the world, all the seeds from all over the world, are basically archived there, and they are taken there in case an event, an apocalyptic event might happen. And I thought this was a really interesting idea, how we as humans, instead of repairing things first or trying to avoid how things might change, we immediately start archiving because we know that something bad happens. So the whole idea for me, it's about selecting, why we select these crops. And as a metaphor, we will see these 10 dancers in a kind of a bunker, in a place that looks like a shelter. And these 10 dancers, they are waiting for something to finish, a storm. And in that space, together with the audience, they will try to think what will they bring into a future in order to rebuild something. For this work, it's a quite complicated work because we will have the audience 360 degrees all around. So it's a work which is experienced quite in proximity to the dancers. And if you are an audience member seated on the corner, you will see that perspective, and you will only experience that perspective. But the same perspective can be seen from the audience sitting in the other corner, but from a different point of view. So for this work, I'm not only collaborating with the dancers, which are always, in my creations, actively contributing to the work. In my team, I have this incredible visual artist based in Malta, Matthew which will create the space through a set design and through some beautiful projections. Then I'm working for the composition with the electroacoustic composer Goya, which is based in New Delhi, and is creating again the full soundtrack for this new work. And I have a great help from Victor Iacono, which is our dramaturge for this piece. And his role is that to look at the work from his own eyes and questioning why certain decisions are made. And I think the synergy between the four of us, it's quite amazing, and it will allow this work to really emerge. As always in any work, the aim is that to create an experience for the audience, which is beautiful, which is something that they can relate to, something that they can learn, and above all, something that touches them on different levels. And I'm confident that we are achieving that.